a storm, softer somehow, like the land itself has exhaled. The next morning I woke to bird song and sunlight spilling through the curtains, the smell of wet earth drifting in. The puddles outside caught the sky, perfect little mirrors where clouds were still wandering. I walked down to the barn, boots sinking in the mud, and there he was, Connor, already there, sweeping water from the floor. His shirt sleeves rolled and hair still damp from the night before. He turned when he heard me and smiled that quiet smile, the kind that doesn't need words. Everything felt still, suspended between us like the mist in the air. I handed him a cup of coffee Mama had sent along, pretending it was just a neighborly gesture, but he took it like it meant more. We didn't talk about the storm, or how close it had pulled us, or what Mama might think now. We just stood in the golden light, steam rising from our cups, the whole farm smelling like grass and hope. When he finally spoke, it was something simple: you should see how the fields look from the ridge. So we climbed the fence and walked up together, the mud squelching under our boots. And when we reached the top, the view took my breath. The valley shimmered, barns shining, trees dripping, sunlight threading through the fog. He looked at me, and I felt something bloom inside, fragile and certain. Guess the storm did some good, he said, and I nodded, knowing he wasn't talking about the weather. Down below, the town was waking up, kids on bikes splashing through puddles, shop doors opening one by one. It felt like the world had been washed clean, and maybe, just maybe, so had we.